Hi, welcome. My name is Melissa Ichiuji. I am the founder of Guise and Dolls Sculpture School. During the course of my class, we make a doll, but it's not really a doll. It's got all the familiarity of a doll with the gravitas of a sculpture. So what we do is we bring ourselves to the class, our emotional life, our dreams, our fantasies, and we put it all into the process of making a doll. And at the end of the process, it has a story to tell you. It's a documentation of where you are right now, right here, all that you are and dream about. So students often come to my class maybe with an idea of something they want to make, maybe a portrait, maybe some fantastical creature, and they move forward with the idea. And as they go, this is an awakening art. So as we go, we have ideas, we come upon maybe some sort of obstacles that we have to solve. Problem solving is a big part. By the end of the process, when you're done with your sculpture has something amazing to tell you. It's a story. And it's always something that you never could have anticipated, which is the best kind. So this, again, is a process of uncovering our internal life and letting what wants to rise to the surface rise, with all the playfulness of our childhood instincts to create art in an instinctual way. So this isn't a sinister process. It's not something that we have to be afraid of, right? We come to this with an open heart. We have a community where we talk to each other, we move, we write, we speak to each other, share ideas, and share our art and our inspiration.